Welcome to KiCad video course. In this video, we're going to learn about hierarchical schematic on Autodesk Eagle. By implementing hierarchy, it allows you to abstract away complexity and describe our design in simple blocks. The hierarchical schematic can ease the workflow, especially when we work with another engineers, because it makes the design intent of your circuit a lot easier to read and to decipher from your schematic. Now, let me show you how to make a simple model. First, click the Model command here on the Command toolbar. The new window will pop up. And now we're going to create a new model that we're going to call Power. For the prefix here, we're going to use letter P. Then click OK. After you're done, you will have a yellow outlined rectangle attached to your cursor. We can place as many of these as we want, and we haven't defined any row circuitry for them yet. To add the circuitry to the model, we should use Port command right here. Through ports, we can take nav within the model to the next level of hierarchy. So, using the Port command, click on the model. Then let's place it here and we're going to give it a name. I'm going to name it Output. Notice that all of our models now have the output label in the exact same location. I'm going to make another one here and let's call it Input. Make another one. This will be the ground. And the last one here is source. After you're done making port, you can press the Escape key on your keyboard. To rearrange the port position, we can use the Move command here. Then click on the base of the port while pressing Ctrl button on your keyboard and just simply move it. Notice that the ports also have predetermined direction. We can also change the direction of each port. To do that, click the Info command over here. Then press Ctrl button on your keyboard and left-click the base of the port. This window will pop up. Then for the input, I'm going to change the direction to in. Click Apply, then click OK. We can see that all the input ports' direction changed. Now we go to the output port and change the direction to out. For the ground will be the power pin. And for the source, we're going to change it to power as well. And we can basically interconnect these modules like this. So here is the video about hierarchical schematic. We will learn a lot more about Eagle in another video.